Oh hi, welcome back. Let's break a text in CorelDraw where there will be a text and a line that will be breaking the text into two pieces so that you can create this cool typography kind of effects for your design. So let's create the text first. Click on the A icon and then type anything, for example break, and then change the font type. Adjust the kerning by clicking here and then you drag it just like so. You can even do some tweaks with the size just like this, and then if you click on the text again after it's been selected, you can have it slanted by dragging this one. Once you're done, right click on the text and then click on convert to curves so that it's editable. Now let's create the line that will break the text. Click on freehand tool and then create a random line just like this, and then remove the outlines by right clicking on this one. And then all you have to do now is to break this text into two pieces. So click on the freehand tool and then select this part under the line and then go over to shape and then trim. Trim acts as the tool that will trim the text, which is this area that's going to be trimmed so that only this part of the text is visible. So copy the text and then paste it by holding the Control and the C keys and Control and the V keys, and then click on the object that we made using freehand tool to cut this part of the text, and then click on trim and then click on the text. Same goes when you want to have this part of the text to be trimmed. Create a shape using a freehand tool so that this part of the text will be trimmed. Click on the shape, the source object, and then click on trim and then click on the text so that it looks like this. Pretty cool. And then you can drag the text to here, for example, and then you can put the line in front just like so. Then you can do some tweaks with how the line will look like, for example this, and then you can color it just like this, and then choose a darker shade, for example this, and then you're done. That's how you can break a text in CorelDraw so that you can have this cool variety of typography for your designs. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao!